The saxophone can be subdivided into three major parts, which are the head. Ranging from here is the body, and here as the bell. And now to talk about the head, we have the following parts in the head. You have the mouthpiece cap, or you call this mouthpiece cover. From here to here is the neck, and right here you have the one we call the mouthpiece. This black one, we call it mouthpiece. And here you have your reed, which comes in different sizes, and this is your ligature. So this ligature is the one that holds the reed firmly together with the mouthpiece. Always ensure to fix the reed through the base of the reed down the mouthpiece, as this will help to protect the reed from damaging. Do not fix the reed through the blade of the reed, but instead fix through the base of the reed in this order. This is the best way, using the base and always ensure to cover the mouthpiece when not in use. Talking about the body of the saxophone, the body is made up of several components, where you have the pillars. All these, you refer to it as the pillars. Alright, then you have your connecting rod that looks like pin. Now you have the keys, of course. These are the keys. These are the keys. The pads, right? These are the pads. Some keys are made together with the pad, while some are separate. These are still keys. These are still keys. You have your octave key, likewise, which we also refer to as register, or the registering key. You have here as your left thumb rest, and here you have as your right thumb rest, which implies that these are the points where you are going to hold the saxophone. So holding the saxophone, now you position your left thumb here, the right thumb at this point, and you have the saxophone here. And mind you, before you pick the saxophone from the bag, always ensure to have your strap on your neck. This is what you call the strap. And of course, you have a strap hook here. And you have the saxophone tuner, where you tune the saxophone. The third subdivided part of the saxophone, which is the bell. The bell serves as the speaker which amplifies the sound produced to the saxophone. The larger the size of the bell, the louder the production of the saxophone.